In this video, we'll show you how to enable desktop mode for the YouTube website on your phone. Many users prefer the desktop version of YouTube for its additional features and functionality, and we're going to walk you through how to open the desktop version in just a few easy steps. This method works for both iPhone and Android devices. To begin, open the web browser on your phone and type YouTube desktop site in Google. You'll see search results appear, and you want to tap on the first link that says Home. If clicking on this link redirects you to the YouTube app, go back to Safari or your preferred browser and follow these steps. Long press on the link until a menu of options appears, and then select Open in a new tab. This will open the desktop version of YouTube in a new browser tab without redirecting you to the app. If the desktop mode doesn't load and you're still seeing the mobile version of the YouTube website, there's a quick fix for that. For Safari users, tap on the two small AA letters in the address bar until a menu appears. Then tap on Request Desktop Website. This will refresh the page and load the desktop version of YouTube. For Android users using Chrome or another browser, tap on the three dots or three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. You'll see an option for desktop site or desktop mode. Tap on that, and you're all set. That's how you can easily enable desktop mode for YouTube on your mobile device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.